Hello, and welcome to your Jenesis Now software. Today, we will be going over a new updated feature. You now have the ability to move media files and/or attachments from one client to the other. This is useful in case you were in a rush and possibly attached a document to the wrong client or whatever the case may be. You can now simply just move that attachment from one client to the correct client. Let's take a look at how this works. First, I'm going to select the client, Daffy Duck, up here. And then if I go over to my right and scroll down to Media Files, you will note all of my media files are here. I'll open the file and select over here on the left which file that needs to be transferred to another client. I'm going to select Signature PNG file. I'll move over to the right here where the arrows indicate transfer or move and click. Now it is asking me where I would like to move this signature file to. Would I like to move it to another location, accounting, another user? But I'm moving it to another client, so I click there. Then it's asking which client. I can select the client from the drop down here, or I can simply start typing in the name and select my client, Candy Cane. So we have identified the file that needs to be moved over here on the left. We've identified what type of move we're doing from client to client, and then the client that we're moving it to, Candy Cane. I'll then click on the green button below, Move Media here. So once I close out of here, you'll notice that now that file is removed from this client. And let's go over to Candy Cane to see if the signature file is there. So selecting Candy Cane, I'm going to go over to my right and scroll down to my media files. And you'll notice that signature file is now located here. I hope you find this information helpful. If you ever have any questions or any problems, always remember the bottom right, the helpful chat icon, or on the left, your toolbar, at the bottom, the help option. Have a great day. Thank you.